Welcome back friends with another video lecture on Gametogenesis. So today I'll discuss about the schematic diagram of Gametogenesis. That means how the sperm cells are produced and how the ovum cells are produced. So you can see it in a flow chart. So this will help you to understand more. So let's start with the video lecture on Gametogenesis. Second part actually. So here you can see the Spermatogenesis and Oogenesis. I have drawn it in two different parts. So here you can compare how the gametes are produced. At first we all know that before puberty there are some cells that are already present that are called as the Spermatogonia. So in the Spermatotheca there are some cells called as Spermatogonia. So this Spermatogonia, these are the cells that are generally our body cells. So similar to that. So here the chromosome number is 46. So from this is all happening inside the testis. First mitotic division of the Spermatogonia, and it produces the primary spermatocyte. The primary spermatocytes are produced. So first the mitotic division, many cells are produced. Huge number of cells are produced by mitotic division. So here 46 chromosome will remain as 46 chromosome here. After that, this 46 chromosome will be reduced to 23 chromosome after the first meiotic division. So up to primary spermatocyte, this is 46 chromosome, as because there is mitotic division. And then after the primary spermatocyte, there is the first meiotic division, and here the secondary spermatocyte is produced. After first meiotic division, secondary spermatocyte is produced, which carries 23 number of chromosome. 23 number of chromosome, not 46. Then after second meiotic division, this is MDS meiotic division. Second meiotic division, spermatids are produced. So this is also 23 chromosome. Then again after differentiation or maturation, these spermatids transforms into sperm cells. These are the sperm cells. So this is very easy. Then let us see the Gametogenesis of another in female, that is the Oogenesis. Here in the this is the Oogonia, these are the Oogonia. So here the mitotic division occurs, and large number of Oogonia are stored inside the ovary. This is happening inside the ovary. So huge number of Oogonia are stored inside the ovary, and this Oogonia, this first mitosis, this is the mitosis division, occurs and forms the primary oocyte. Here also the chromosome is 46. The primary oocyte, this is the primary oocyte, 46 chromosome. So primary oocyte, this up to here before birth. So in the earlier video I have said that before birth this primary oocyte is produced and stored inside the ovary. How much? 60,000 to 80,000. 60k to 80k primary oocytes are stored inside the ovary. And after birth, this will remain same. At childhood, it will remain same. At puberty, that is 11 to 13 years of the girl. At puberty, the first meiotic division will occur before ovulation. You know what is ovulation? Releasing of the ovum cell. In the previous video, I have said. If you have not seen the previous video, you can click here in the I button. Here, exactly here in the I button, and you can see the lecture on Gametogenesis part 1. Okay, here it is there. Or you can check in the description link I have provided. You can check it here. So this is the before ovulation, the secondary oocyte is produced. Secondary oocyte, how it is produced? By the first meiotic division. And in the meiotic division, we will know that from one cell, two cells are produced. But here, one polar body is produced. This is the first polar body. First polar body or polar cell. So here this is incapable of, or this is not able to produce or further divide. So this first polar body is produced, and then again after second meiotic division, is the second meiotic division. This is the second polar body is produced, and the mature ovum is produced from here. Okay, so you can see this is very important. and here also 23 chromosomes. So this is before, this up to here before birth, this after birth. So after birth secondary oocyte and ovum is produced, before birth primary oocyte and oogonia. These are the before birth. Then you can see one thing, from one spermatocyte, this is one spermatocyte, primary spermatocyte. So from one primary spermatocyte, how many sperm cells are produced? This will come in your exam. How many? From one spermatocyte to secondary spermatocyte are produced, from two secondary, 4 spermatids are produced, from 4 spermatids, 4 sperm cells are produced. So how much? From one primary cell, primary spermatocyte, how many sperm cells are produced? 4. From primary oocyte, one primary oocyte, this is the primary oocyte. From one primary oocyte, how many ovum cells are produced? From one primary oocyte, one ovum cell is produced. From one primary spermatocyte, 4 sperm cells are produced. You remember? Okay. So this is the whole schematic diagram of gametogenesis, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So this very short video, and hope you will understand it very easily. And here nothing to read, just remember the stages. It's very important, and this difference may come in your exam. So hope you have understood. And next I will teach you menstruation cycle, all about menstruation cycle, that you always want to know about menstruation cycle in case of girls. So this you will memorize it, and if you have any doubt you can ask me or comment me in the comment section below. So thank you for staying tuned with me, and subscribe it, and hope you will like the video. Thank you very much.